Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start right away by unplugging the refrigerator and clearing the floor. Safety first. Once done, set a towel against the door to avoid scratches and examine the dent, depth, edges, and distance from handles. Use a medium suction cup for shallow dents and warm the metal with a hair dryer for 1 to 2 minutes to increase flexibility. Make sure to test tool contact on an inconspicuous spot so you know how the surface reacts before you apply force. You heat the dent to make the stainless steel more malleable. Move the hair dryer evenly and avoid overheating seals. Once warm, place the suction cup flush over the dent and pull steadily, don't jerk. Repeat pulls and reheat between attempts. If the cup won't grip, use a glue puller set or compressed air after heating, then rapidly cool to let the metal contract. For stubborn edges, access the interior panel and tap gently outward with a rubber mallet wrapped in a towel to maintain control. You finish by letting the metal return to room temperature, then clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to remove oils. Make sure to buff along the grain using a non-abrasive stainless polish and a microfiber cloth to restore the finish. If you notice tiny high spots, gently wet sand with very fine grit then polish. Be cautious because oversanding removes coating. If the dent will not respond, consider removing the inner door panel or contacting a professional. That often resolves hidden creasing without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.